Reaction with non-metallic oxides with heavy water. Non-metallic oxides such as phosphorus pentoxide or sulfur trioxide readily dissolve in heavy water and form corresponding deuteroacids. For example, for phosphorus pentoxide combined with D2O or heavy water to form deuterophosphoric acid. Sulfur trioxide combined with D2O to form deuterosulfuric acid. Exchange reactions when compounds containing hydrogen are treated with heavy water, hydrogen undergo exchange with deuterium. Like this way, hydrochloric acid combined with D2O to form deuterochloride and deuterohydrogen deuteroxide. Sodium hydroxide combined with heavy water to form sodium deuteroxide and hydrogen deuteroxide. Action with carbides, nitrides and phosphides. So when these carbides react with heavy water, for example, calcium carbide react with heavy water to form calcium deuteroxide and deuteroacetylene. Aluminium carbide combined with heavy water to form aluminium deuteroxide and deuteromethane. Magnesium nitride combined with heavy water to form magnesium deuteroxide and deuteroammonia. Calcium phosphide same way, and sodium arsenide form sodium deuteroxide and deuteroarside. Like ordinary water, heavy water combined with many compounds as heavy water of crystallizations. These have water hydrates, also called deuterates. For example, calcium sulfate 5D2O, magnesium sulfate 7D2O, nickel chloride 6D2O. Heavy water is injurious to plants, animals and human beings because it slows down the rate of reaction. Heavy water does not support life as well as does ordinary water. Uses of heavy water. As a moderator, heavy water has been finding use in nuclear reactors as moderator because it slows down the fast of moving neutrons, therefore help in controlling nuclear fission process. Second, as a tracer compounds, heavy water has also been used as a tracer compounds to study mechanism of chemical reactions. Heavy water also used in nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy.